farm animal sounds? Do you see the big red barn? Just like this. A farm has many sounds. Pigs say oink, 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 oink. I hear the pigs oink, oink, oink. What do the ducks say? Ducks say quack, 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 quack. Moo. I hear a cow. Where's the cow? The cow is in the barn. Cows say moo. Those are chickens. The chickens say cluck, 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 cluck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck. I hear the chickens. Horses say neigh. Neigh. Brum, 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 brum. Can you make animal sounds? I want to hear it.